Today we're going to be working on the Volkswagen Polo Mark II facelift. As you can see, I haven't got much space, so let's get into it. So, here's the car. As you can tell, it's already blue. Long story short, didn't think you guys would be interested. Now we're just going to see if you are. It's painted in Arctic blue. Colour code will be down on the bottom of the screen. Now the shell is painted. The inside has been done in just normal Gravitex, just to keep the floor good. The underside has all been done and the engine bay has been painted. Tonight we're going to be doing the bumpers. They're currently in primer, so let's get into it. Right, so bumpers on the trestle. As you can see, they're in primer. I started work on these just before Christmas. We've had snow, we've had storms, we've had power cuts. You name it, we may as well have been back in lockdown. Currently they're in primer. They were textured. I removed the texture by starting with 120 grit and then 180 grit and then finishing off in 240, and then I gave them two full coats of Polo 2K high build primer in grey. Now today I'm going to be sanding them with 400 grit, making sure I do all my edges, giving them a red scotch after, and then we'll be coating them with 2K just straight solid Arctic blue, just like on the Polo. Right, let's get into it. Okay guys, as you can see, judging by the state of me, the Polo bumpers are now ready for paint. They're all degreased, they're all tacked, so time to get some whites on and let's get some colour on these bad boys. Alright guys, so everything's ready, paint's in the gun. What we've done is we've done another degrease and tack, so I'm going to put you guys in a position where you can see some paint going down and let's just see how it goes.
Gravity, gravity, promise you'll stay strong. Carry on, carry on. I'm here to say goodbye. No spell or prayer you try will bring me back to life. Don't follow me, follow me. So look me in my eyes, sing me lullabies, hold me till it's time. Don't follow me, follow me. Gravity don't mean that much to me. Now I'm floating near the atmosphere, no shackles on my feet, and I know I may be already gone. Just promise you'll stay strong and carry on, carry on. I miss the way it hurts, a blessing, it's a curse, for better or for worse. Don't follow me, follow me. Like a child I have learned, everybody waits their turn. Like a phoenix I will burn. Don't follow me, follow me. Oh, this is it, and I can feel my breath slowing, and my heart is beating weaker from the pain of not knowing. So kiss me on the face and wipe your tears from your eyes, 'cause this is goodbye. Don't follow me, don't follow me. Gravity don't mean that much to me. Now I'm floating near the atmosphere, no shackles on my feet, and I know I may be already gone. Just promise you'll stay strong and carry on, carry on. Who we are is determined by the scars. Death is like a one-way ticket to a distant star. All we are is a cosmic dust that scatters free, with no sense of direction, we're just wandering. Who we are
Okay guys, so we've got the finished product. Yeah, got a couple bits of dirt in it. What'd you expect? Homemade booth. But on the same front, they're blue, they're shiny. Right guys, if you're still watching, like and subscribe. You stayed this far, why not stay for more? Bumpers are painted. Yeah, there's a bit of dirt in them. What'd you expect? Look at the environment. It's 11 o'clock at night. I'm not going to clean up like that. I'm just trying to get the job done at this rate. We've got 4 more projects sat outside. I need this car done. So, as I said, yeah, the bumpers aren't the best. There's a bit of dirt in them. Bit of flat and polish, which will obviously come in another video. They'll be sweet. The main point is that the compressor and the airline system obviously has the 3-stage filter on, which takes out all the water and the oil contaminants. And then obviously I put an extra filter on my gun just to be safe. I'm running the DeVilbiss GTI Pro Lite, the Nebula edition. It's got the TE10 setup with the 1.3 fluid tip. Excuse me. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. This is hopefully the first video in a long line of playing with cars and getting projects done. This car's been sat here for 10 years. So it was about time I just sort of bit the bullet. Yeah, situations could have been a bit better, but on the same front, I need it done. I need to obviously get things gone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.